In today's video, let's talk about how to use TikTok on multiple devices. TikTok allows you to use your account on multiple devices simultaneously, meaning if you have an account logged in on a particular device, you can easily use your credentials to log into a different device. So for example, if you have an account logged in on a different device, you can use this device to log in. Just head over to the login section. You can also tap on add account if you have different accounts logged in, and then tap on login on the bottom. This way you can choose your method of logging in, either using your phone number, email address or username, using your Facebook or using your Google account. So just tap on one of these options, type in your credentials, your email address and your password, make sure that they are correct, and then you will be immediately logged in. So TikTok does not restrict using a particular account into multiple devices. It also does not log you out once you are connected to a different device as well. So that's pretty much all for this one. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.